I think to relax tomorrow, especially during the morning and the morning commute. That's when the storm is going to hit hardest. Right now, it's quiet out there. Another day of above normal temperatures. High was 48, normal high's 42. So again, with these temperatures keeping the ground warm, that's working in our favor to keep at least the accumulations down on the paved areas in the city. But once this snow really starts increasing in intensity tomorrow morning, I think all bets are off. It will accumulate everywhere. 47 Caldwell, 46 in the city, 48 Newark. Still very mild numbers out there. The cold air is really going to be generated almost by the storm itself. As the intensity goes and then we get better lift out of it, it's going to draw the colder air down from above. Meantime, just some clouds right now. Leading edge of the rain just started to break out into southern sections of New Jersey. So by 9, 10 o'clock central New Jersey, the city 10, 11 o'clock, a few light showers. But the main body of the storm really doesn't get going until it jumps to the coastline, the Delaware coastline, Maryland coastline, and that's when it intensifies rapidly tomorrow morning. So you can see 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, just a bit of light rain. That's it. Nothing much to worry about. So you're fine heading out this evening and even through midnight or 1 a.m. Then notice by 4:30, it's snowing in the city, or at least a little mix at that point. All snow northwest New Jersey, Hudson Valley, and that snow really fills in. Notice the darkening of the blue. That means heavy bands of snow, snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour. This is a heavy, wet snow, so it will accumulate rapidly once the ground gets cooled. The good news is here at 8:30, we're still in the middle of it. That's the bad part of it, but look how quickly the back edge is approaching. By 11 o'clock in the morning, northwest New Jersey, it's shut down probably by noon in the city, and is east of Long Island by 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So it's a fast-moving, heavy-hitting storm. We might even see a little sun by the end of the day tomorrow. In terms of accumulations, again, city we're looking at about 4 to 6, just to the north, maybe 6 to 8, 6 to 9. A little swath of 9 to 12, northern New Jersey, western Passaic, into the mid and upper Hudson Valley, lesser amounts off towards the south. So 32, that occurs when the snow ramps up by tomorrow morning. It's out of here by midday, though, and then just brisk and chilly Wednesday, 38. Not a bad day Thursday, maybe a couple of flurries or a sprinkle late. Friday's quiet, maybe more snow showers and cold for the weekend.